Yeah, guys, well, hopefully 2025 has been off to a good start for you, but we have some simple hacks that is going to make life much easier for you. Christina Daves here with some things that it really is going to make it much easier, some simple kitchen hacks, things that you can use at home. We've got all that for you after the break. All right, welcome back. We're out here in the newsroom. We've got podcaster Christina Daves here with us, and she is showing us some simple hacks that you swear by, and I'm so looking forward to this. Some really everyday items you can find in your household.
Yeah.
Let's get right to it.
Okay, I'm channeling my inner MacGyver today.
Okay, I love it.
this.
I love it.
So toilet paper rolls, right? Don't throw them away.
Okay.
You know how we have all this, the wrapping paper just gets
and it always gets all over the place.
So you just cut it in half, and it becomes the perfect little holder.
Oh, that's fabulous. Toilet paper rolls coming to save the day in so many different things.
Just
for
put
kids'
it in a
crafts and
bin.
this.
Yeah, and then it doesn't get all messed up.
Right, okay, that's awesome. I love this. And then what are we doing with the plastic bags
Ziploc
here?
bag and straw. So you can vacuum seal before you freeze things. So you put whatever you need to freeze in, suck out the air.
Oh, instead of like pressing the bag. Oh my goodness.
How about that?
That is a really good idea because there's so many times I'm sitting there trying to squish things in the bag, trying to get it all fit in, to put it in the freezer.
Yeah, my husband loves doing this. I even got him a vacuum sealer thing because he's like, no, I like doing the straw.
Oh, okay, that's cute. That's precious. Yeah. Okay, this is a really big one, especially if you're a big baker, right?
Baking. We've all had it, right? The batter goes everywhere. Yeah. How brilliant is this? You just take a paper plate, and then when you turn on your mixer, the plate gets all the
gosh, I wouldn't have even thought of that. And this is probably really handy for kids if you're baking in the kitchen with the kids, right?
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and what do we got happening here with the egg situation? I'm terrible at breaking and separating eggs.
Okay, so you're gonna love this. You wanna try it? What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a water bottle and you're just gonna suck the yolk out. That's it.
All right.
So just squeeze the bottle first. Now suck, oh, just right on top. Now no, don't push, you don't have to push.
Oh.
Just, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
And that's what you would turn it quickly.
Yeah,
but
right.
You get the gist. It went right into,
about that.
It works.
Oh my gosh, that is way better than me trying to like go back and forth trying to separate
right, and then
the
you
egg.
accidentally get the yolk and you're like, and eggs are so expensive right now.
Who are you telling? You are not kidding. Okay, what's happening with the pan here and a fried egg?
How often do you break when you try to flip?
All the time.
Okay,
that's why I don't make fried eggs.
Watch this hack. So you fry the front. Oops, and this is not a hot egg. Okay, you go like this, right? Oh, just get my hands right. Then you 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
And you have flipped your egg.
Maybe that's why they made the tops.
Broken. Right?
Okay, that's a really good idea. This one might be one of my top favorites out of the ones that you have here because I was telling her earlier in the commercial break how much I hate chopping herbs and cilantro, and this looks like it's going to save my life in the kitchen.
Pizza cutter. This is it. Ooh, and I'm making a mess.
Oh my gosh.
But look how easy this is.
That is...
Yep.
Brilliant. And you also had another option as well that you said you can, simple items as well in the kitchen.
Right. Just use a coffee mug and kitchen shears and just chop away right inside of it. It doesn't make a mess, doesn't go anywhere.
Meanwhile, I'm over here with my little knife chopping.
It's hard. And herbs are hard. Yeah. Scissors are much easier, something sharp like this.
Okay, so what do we got going on here with the honey and cooking soda?
You ever cooked with honey? And you try to measure out honey and you're like scraping it out of it. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. Olive oil or just your basic cooking spray. So you just put a little bit in. Watch this. Watch how easy. Well, okay, we only have a few minutes for our segment.
The honey's like, let me be the star of the show right now.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, and then it just
watch how easy it pours. Oh, I didn't. There we go.
There, yeah. It's not sticking to the side. Which here, look, you can see on the inside, it's not. Normally, it'd be all
around.
Over
You
the
need
place.
a spoon. It comes right out.
Oh my gosh!
Except it's honey and it's slow.
Right. I put honey in a lot of my breakfast, like cookies and stuff like that. That is a really good idea.
Olive oil or cooking spray.
Perfect. Okay. And then what's happening with the parchment paper?
So have you ever? And my daughter was so funny. Oops, sorry. My daughter was so funny. She's like, Mom, I always burn the parchment paper when I try to use it. Okay. Parchment paper is parched. So you put it in some water.
Oh, I didn't even know you could do that.
Right? And it also helps it form in your cookie sheet better so it's not flipping all over the place.
Stop. Look at this. Oh my gosh, half the time I'm trying to set something in there so it holds and then I can pour everything in. I did not even know you could do that. Yay. Okay, that might take the cake for my favorite hack.
No, this one might take the cake.
Okay, let's see what this is.
Okay, so you've got a collared shirt.
Yeah.
And let's say you just have like a little wrinkle right here. And you're like, I gotta take it off. I need the steamer, I need an iron. Use your flat iron.
Oh, yes. Okay, I've done this before, actually, with like dresses, because this is like an ultimate woman hack, right? Like you see a
just
last minute.
Real quick. Oh, I got it.
So helpful. I love that. Christina, thank you so much. This is awesome. We appreciate it. We always making our life simple and easier for us. Thank you so much. Your information on the screen, but where can people find you?
ChristinaDaves.com, and the podcast is Living Ageless and Bold.
Awesome. Love it. Thank you so much for all your tips.
Thanks.
All right, Mickey, I'll send it over to you. All right. Thanks so much, Jacqueline. And tell Christina hello.